This move I show you guys today, I ain't never really came up with a name, but I'm gonna just call this thing the spider. The walking spider. It's a made up name, but it's a drill that I used to do all the time. One thing about this drill that I enjoy is it works on ball control. And a lot of times there's a lot of players that maybe can dribble, but when they get into a situation where there's pressure, they're out of control. And so one thing that I stress a lot when we do ball handling drills is ball control and dribbling with a purpose. Doing moves with a purpose. So I'm gonna be alternating my left hand, doing it one at a time between the leg, and then I'll be alternating with my right hand, doing it one at a time with my right hand. And then I'll be duplicating it. But it's just a fun video I like to do. Get people out there and just grind and make it happen.